Hey guys, are you interested in seeing how I achieve this beautiful pink and tan look using dipping powder? If so, continue to watch this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and remember to share. I mean, there's other people that are interested in seeing how to get tantalized, so why not? Alright, so I am starting off with the base. As you all know that have watched my videos before, I always do 2 layers of clear before I do whatever color I'm using. And in today's video, I am using all Kiara Sky products. I am using the pink color is Heartfelt, and the nude color is Prim and Proper. So I did the 2 layers of clear, and that's just to help protect my natural nails from any color, making sure the dye and the colors do not affect my nails. These are my real nails, so I want to keep them looking, as healthy as possible without any dye or anything like that. So, yeah. So I apply about 2 layers of color on each nail, and so I'm going back and forth between the base and then the color, of course. And it's just repetitive. This process is repetitive, just like on prior videos, but this is just to show you how you can get some simple, cute little designs using your dipping powder sets. So in between each layer, I do make sure I dust off the extra powder. You want to make sure you get that off before you dip again. And then I do have like a small little lint-free cloth that I'm using to wipe off in between my dips, so I'm not getting powder stuck to the base and then putting it back in the dryer. So just be mindful of that, because it will start clumping up if you have a lot of excess powder left on your brush. Just make sure you're getting that excess powder off. So after this, I'm going to apply another layer of color. Want to definitely with that nude, make sure I get that nude good coverage for that color payoff. Alright, so I noticed that I didn't have enough base in there, so I'm going to go ahead and just refill it. And I got the refill bottle from Kiara Sky as well. That's the bottle there, that's the base. Put it right in there, and it was really easy just to refill the bottle. Now, the top coat, refill, I don't like it. I'd rather just buy a whole nother bottle, because for some reason that top coat, we don't get along. But after I put that base refill in there, I do go ahead and wipe the top of the bottle off, so it's no extra base, which will cause it to stick when you close it. And once that baby, sealed shut, it's really sealed tight. The way I noticed to help get it open when it does seal tight is to run it under some very hot water, and then it helps loosen it up. So now I'm applying another coat of base, and before you saw I didn't go all the way to the cuticle, so now I'm going to go ahead and go all the way to the cuticle and dip and dip and dip and dip and dip. Make sure you do not get on the cuticle, because that will cause lifting if you get directly on the cuticle. So I did prep my nails and everything prior to starting this process, pushed my cuticles back, got rid of the, excess dead skin and all of that good stuff. So that will help with the process. My nails normally last 2.5 to 3 weeks. Well, I normally get bored by then, so I only change because I'm ready to change it. But definitely want to make sure you do that prepping step. Down to the last nail. Alright, so we on this good old pinky, and then I'm going to show you how I retrieve the cute little, I don't even know what it's called. Well, you'll see. Right, that little pink tip. But it's really easy and simple. I tried a different way to do it on my left hand when I did my left hand, and I didn't like it. So after the end of this video, I went back and redid that one nail. But this way I found to be so much easier. So I'm just going to take the base and actually, use the base to draw out the actual design that I want on that ring finger. And then I'm going to dip it in the pink. And this way it came out so much better than trying to polish the whole nail with the base and dip it in at different angles to achieve this design. This way worked out so much better for me. So I'm dipping it in there. Now once I pull it out, you see how it looks like all of the pink is going to be on there? Nope. Wait till I brush that bad boy off. Look at that. Look at that. Okay. So I got the desired design that I want on that nail, and I'm going to go ahead and apply the clear to all of my nails. So you're going to go back in the base again, and then you're going to apply a coat of clear dipping powder, and this is going to help seal or encapsulate your designs and your colors. So once you file it, you're not filing away at the color or the designs. So what really makes this set pop is the actual stones. Those Swarovski's crystals made this set pop. I mean, if you wanted to keep it the way that it is or whatever way you got it, you don't want to put any stones or anything, that's fine too, but I like bling, 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 bling for that. Time for the Seal Protect. So when I apply the Seal Protect, I make sure I go back and make sure I press it in. You want to make sure it's really good and into the nail, because the Seal Protect is what bonds everything together and makes the nails hard. And then you want to let that dry for a few seconds and then go in and shape your nails. So make sure you get that Seal Protect good and all over your nails. I make sure I apply a significant amount because I wanted to, saturate the nail and get that nail good and hard. That sound, yeah, make sure it's good and hard and go, press that in real good. So I just finished shaping and filing and buffing off camera. So I'm applying some alcohol to clean off all of that extra dust particles from, shaping and filing. Wiping that off with the lint-free swab. And then I'm going to apply some more Seal Protectant. Let that dry a few seconds. And then we're going to go ahead and put the top coat on. Once we put the top coat on, I normally apply my stones while I'm applying the top coat. So, you will see that. I think I apply one coat first and then I, let that dry and then another coat in the stone. So you will see. You'll see in a minute. But that's pretty much the end of the video. As always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And of course, I will insert some pictures at the end of the video to show you how they came out. The last part here is just me applying the top coat. And I really, really like that Prim and Proper color, even by itself. I think it is so pretty. So if you want a cute little nail nude, that's the go-to. And it's in the Kiara Sky color kit. It's one of the colors in the color kit, or of course you can get the jar separately, but that's my favorite nude. And these colors together just bomb. Put these stones on and it's just about to pop it even more. But I love y'all. I appreciate y'all watching. I appreciate y'all sharing. I appreciate y'all commenting, giving me y'all input, y'all thoughts. Popping these stones on, inserting these pictures, and we out. Yeah, before I leave, I just gotta say this is my favorite finger. That index finger on his hand, I don't know. That little one pink stone with the rest stones, the Swarovski crystals, it just do something for my heart. And I don't know how I always end up doing the right hand better than the left hand, and I'm right-handed. But it just work out that way. It don't matter because they both cute. But I just had to let it be known that index finger, this whole hand is just my favorite hand. Look at that. Just look at it. Bling bling. Every time I come around your city, bling bling. I just had to put that out there. But yeah, love y'all. Thanks for watching. Bye.
So check it out.
So check it out and say the video. And so check the description box. And I will press on the green button and see ya. Subscribe.
Good job.
Yeah. Bye. Bye.